Hello, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all will be fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today in this video we will discuss about what is LinkedIn and how does it work. So let's start the video. First of all, you click on your browser. When you click your browser, this page will be open. You just click in the search bar and search what is LinkedIn. When you search, the website page will be open. You just click in this first website, what is LinkedIn, how do I can use. Then you click this website, the page will be opened of what is LinkedIn and how can I use it. LinkedIn, that is the world's largest professional network on the internet. You can use LinkedIn to find the right job or internship content and strengthen professional relationship and learn the skills you need to success in your career. You can access LinkedIn from the desktop, LinkedIn mobile application, professional relationship and learn the success need to your success in the career. You use in the LinkedIn from desktop, LinkedIn mobile application or mobile web experience. A complete LinkedIn profile. You can be happier connected with opportunities by showcasing every unique professional story throughout experience, skill and education. You can also LinkedIn to organize offline events, join group, write articles, post photos and videos and more. Who should be joining LinkedIn? LinkedIn is a platform for everyone to use and looking for advanced in this career. This is include people from various professional backgrounds such as small business owner, students, job seekers. LinkedIn member can use the LinkedIn to tap into your network of professional companies and group within the beyond of their industry. How do I get started on LinkedIn? LinkedIn is an online platform that connects you with the world professional. Here are few steps to get on LinkedIn. First step is create your profile. Signing up, you creating your profile is the best way to use LinkedIn. A complete LinkedIn profile will customize and summarize your professional experience to your connection, current and future employers that recurring for you. Throughout your profile, you can showcase your professional life and milestone skill of the interest. Build your network. Your network player is a circular for unlocking and power of LinkedIn. It is help to you understand what is happening in your industry and professional circle. You can begin to the adding your family, friends, past and current classmates and pro-worker of your network. You can also follow the people, campaign and topics of your networking directly to follow friends' respective pages, which display recommendations, sources and to follow you. You can use the LinkedIn events feature and created and join professional events such as online workshop, seminar, sales and marketing event, networking event and more. In the third step, form of find job. If you are looking for new professional opportunities, you can get started on your job to search on LinkedIn. You can use LinkedIn to search and companies to research for your hiring community. You can also apply directly for the roles, save to jobs and modify the connection with your requirements, and you are open for the job opportunities. In the fourth number, participant and conversation. You can easily participate for your conversation on LinkedIn. Participating in the conversation can allow you to share your perspective and relevant issues to your topic with others. You can like and comment or post articles in LinkedIn. You can create a LinkedIn group and joining the connection with your group with your members and share with your interests, experience and aspirations. You can also use to the set of lightweight expression called LinkedIn reaction to easily communicate with your network. In the last number, post connected. Millions of the members come to the LinkedIn every of the connector learn to share. You can empower or facilitate your professional circle and connect with your post on LinkedIn. You can also share with throughout and ideas to LinkedIn members using their share group. LinkedIn free services versus paid subscription. LinkedIn offers the free basics membership and also have anyone who wants to create and maintain professional profile online. If you are upgrade a premium subscription, you will gain a further access to the LinkedIn product and features. Our paid subscription include the marketing requirements and sales of the learning product and can be tried for the LinkedIn Premium for free per month. Learn about the free account for your LinkedIn and premium subscription. We offer to the basic account as well as premium subscription, which can be tried for the per month. We are basic account. You can find and reconnect with your colleague and classmate, request and provide recommendations. Search and view profile our LinkedIn member, receive ultimate and email messages, save up to search and get daily alert for those searches. We also have offers the various paid or premium subscription which member can OPT for basics and their need Various premium subscription we offer. Their features are premium career helps you get hired and ahead of your professional life, and sales navigate helps to generate your bid your client.